Hey my loves, what's up? It's your favorite Magna Budget Diamond K. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, okay? You're gonna make yourself at home. There are drinks in my fridge. You can put your coats on my bed, get comfy. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to store over 30 wigs all on one door with only 2 items. So let's get right into it. My loves, real fast before we get into it, just a couple things. If you don't mind to follow my socials, feel free. It would mean a lot to me. I also have this little store called Bling Them. Right now only has 2 wigs, but they're beautiful rainbow wigs, and there are going to be more items on there shortly. Let's just get into it. No point in dilly-dallying. I've been using this method for over a year, if not like 3 years max, but I just moved, so my wigs are gonna need reset up on here again, and they're also not in good shape because I just moved, so don't judge me, okay? First, you're just gonna need a coat rack like this, okay? And you're going to need a wire shoe rack like this. I don't remember like where I got these, but I'm pretty sure it was like Goodwill or something. It was not anywhere fancy, and I highly doubt it was more than $10 for both of these. At Goodwill, Marketplace, anywhere, don't hesitate to just try and look up shoe rack, okay? Shoe rack and coat rack, that's all it takes. We're just going to take this wire rack, hit it on the door, and then we're going to take this shoe rack and just place it on the wire rack. Okay, and then that's the setup basically. So I got this little wig right here, and I'm literally just going to place it on here. A boop. There we go. You really just fill it up, and that's it. You're gonna organize them by type of wig, by color, by length. Like, it doesn't really matter at all. So yeah, you just place it on here. But if you wanted to keep its shape, I would place it on 2. Like, I genuinely could not imagine trying to store as many wigs as I have without this method. They'd literally be all in a trash bag piled up in the corner of my bathroom or something. So this is a lifesaver if you have lots of wigs. I usually put the bobs at the bottom so that the hair isn't dragging on the floor. You don't trust the wires in your wigs, you can always put something over it. You can put like a bonnet, a couple socks on each one. I hope this really helped you guys, because it has really helped me so much by saving so much space and making it easy to see what wigs I own. So if you guys like this video, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and don't hesitate to check out my little wig shop if you don't mind. About to be a jewelry shop too. I'm definitely trying to not just do where to buy cheap stuff. I want to do more. I feel like I've already covered almost every category when it comes to like buying this there, buying that there. So but if you made it to this point, comment this heart down here, okay, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Okay guys, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.